Glutathione-rich foods you should eat daily. Your body can grow, detoxify, and heal from most of life's ills if you eat the right nutrients and live a healthy lifestyle. How should we choose which foods to focus on for optimal health in order to prevent or recover from deficiencies or disease? Our natural ability to produce many antioxidants compounds like glutathione can slow down and become weaker as we age and depending on our environmental conditions. However, we can mitigate the effects of aging and pollution by providing our bodies cells with the raw materials required for vital processes to function at their best. Let's know more. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. The importance of maintaining adequate levels of this antioxidant cannot be overstated. Let's look at 10 of the most effective natural ways to boost glutathione levels. 1. Consumption of sulfur-rich compounds. Sulfur is a vital mineral that can be found in a variety of plant and protein foods. It's required for the structure and function of the body's most important proteins and enzymes. Sulfur is required for the synthesis of glutathione, for example. Methionine and cysteine are two amino acids that contain sulfur. It's mostly made up of dietary proteins like beef, fish, and poultry. Sulfur can also be found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, watercress, and mustard greens, which are vegetarian sources. Sulfur-rich vegetables may reduce oxidative stress by increasing glutathione levels, according to a number of human and animal studies. Garlic, shallots, and onions are allium vegetables that increase glutathione levels due to sulfur-containing compounds. 2. Boost your vitamin C consumption. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that can be found in a wide range of foods, especially fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C-rich foods include strawberries, citrus fruits, papayas, kiwis, and bell peppers. This vitamin serves a variety of purposes, including protecting cells from oxidative damage. It also keeps the body's supply of other antioxidants, such as glutathione, in check. Vitamin C has been discovered to help increase glutathione levels by attacking free radicals first, leaving glutathione alone. They also discovered that vitamin C aids glutathione reprocessing by converting oxidized glutathione to its active form. In fact, taking vitamin C supplements increases glutathione levels in white blood cells in healthy adults, according to research. 3. Selenium-rich foods should be included in your diet. Selenium is an essential mineral and a glutathione cofactor, which means it helps glutathione function. Beef, chicken, fish, organ meats, cottage cheese, brown rice, and Brazil nuts are some of the best sources of selenium. You can help maintain or increase your body's glutathione supply by increasing your selenium intake. For adults, the recommended dietary allowance for selenium is 55 micrograms. This is based on the amount required to maximize glutathione peroxidase production. In one study, 4 to 5 adults with chronic kidney disease were given selenium supplements to see how they would react. For 3 months, they were all given 200 micrograms of selenium per day. Surprisingly, their glutathione peroxidase levels increased significantly in all of them. Most healthy adults can achieve adequate selenium levels and thus healthy glutathione levels by eating a balanced diet rich in selenium-rich foods. 4. Consume glutathione-rich natural foods. Glutathione is produced by the human body, but it can also be obtained through diet. Some of the most nutrient-dense foods include spinach, avocados, asparagus, and okra. Dietary glutathione, on the other hand, is poorly absorbed by the human body. Additionally, the amount of glutathione in food can be reduced by cooking in storage conditions. Despite the fact that glutathione-rich foods have a lower impact on increasing glutathione levels, they may help reduce oxidative stress. People who ate the most glutathione-rich foods, for example, had a lower risk of developing mouth cancer, according to a non-experimental study. To fully comprehend the effect of glutathione-rich foods on oxidative stress and glutathione levels, more research is required. 5. Whey protein supplements. Certain amino acids are required for glutathione production in your body. Cysteine, a key amino acid in glutathione synthesis, is a particularly important amino acid. Foods high in cysteine, such as whey protein, can help you get more glutathione. In fact, numerous studies have found that whey protein can increase glutathione levels and thus reduce oxidative stress. 6. Take a look at milk thistle. Supplementing with milk thistle is another natural way to increase glutathione levels. The milk thistle plant, Silybum marianum, is used to make this herbal supplement. Milk thistle contains 3 active compounds that are referred to as silymarin. Milk thistle extract contains high levels of silymarin, which is well known for its antioxidant properties. Furthermore, in both test tube and rodent studies, silymarin has been shown to increase glutathione levels and prevent depletion. Silymarin is thought to be able to maintain glutathione levels by preventing cell damage, according to researchers. 7. Turmeric extract is a good option. Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange herb that is widely used in Indian cooking. Since ancient times, the herb has been used medicinally in India. The main component of turmeric, curcumin, is thought to be responsible for its medicinal properties. When compared to the spice, the extract form of turmeric has a much higher curcumin content. Turmeric and curcumin extract have been shown in numerous animal and test tube studies to increase glutathione levels. The curcumin in turmeric, according to the researchers, may help restore adequate glutathione levels and improve glutathione enzyme activity. You would need to take turmeric extract to experience an increase in glutathione levels, as consuming the same amount of curcumin with turmeric would be extremely difficult. 8. Increase your dairy intake. Beta-casein, a protein found in dairy products, has the potential to boost glutathione levels in the body. Researchers discovered links between higher dairy consumption and higher glutathione concentrations in the brains of older adults in a small 2015 study. Glutathione levels appear to vary depending on the type of beta-casein used. Different types of beta-casein protein, known as A1 and A2, can be found in dairy milk. Glutathione concentrations appear to be affected differently by these variations. People who drank dairy milk containing only A2 beta-casein had higher increases in plasma glutathione concentrations than those who drank milk containing both A1 and A2 beta-casein, according to a 2016 study. You can also increase your level of glutathione by doing exercise. Physicians and healthcare providers have long advocated for regular physical activity. It should come as no surprise that exercise is beneficial to both your physical and mental well-being. Exercise has also been shown to help maintain or increase antioxidant levels, particularly glutathione, according to new research. When compared to doing cardio or weight training alone, combining both cardio and circuit weight training increases glutathione the most. Athletes who overtrain without adequate nutrition and rest, on the other hand, may experience a reduction in glutathione production. As a result, make sure to gradually and sensibly incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Stress reduction. It's also necessary to actively reduce the factors that contribute to glutathione depletion while practicing glutathione manufacturing strategies. One of the most common ways glutathione is depleted is through chronic low-level stress. Our bodies were just not built to sustain the prolonged release of cortisol and adrenaline that occurs as a result of unregulated stress responses. Find a way to relieve stress by practicing mindfulness, yoga, spending time outside, reading, or laughing. Finding a strategy to manage stress, despite its simplicity, can be really challenging. It's one of the most genuinely restorative steps you can take on your journey to bright health. Get enough sleep. A good night's sleep is necessary for optimal health. Long-term sleep deprivation has been linked to oxidative damage and hormone abnormalities. Studies have indicated that persistent sleep deprivation might lower glutathione levels. In one study, glutathione levels were measured in 30 healthy adults and 30 patients with insomnia, and glutathione peroxidase activity was shown to be considerably lower in the insomniacs. Sleep deprivation has also been proven to produce a reduction in glutathione levels in animals. As a result, getting enough restful sleep each night may help you maintain or increase your levels of this antioxidant. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.